Hello viewers, my name is Joseph from Joe's page and you're warmly welcome to today's lesson. The lesson for today is how to scan virus on your PC with command prompt. Command prompt is an inbuilt feature in Microsoft operating system, which means it exists in all Windows versions. You can scan your PC's virus for free without any second-party or third-party software because command prompt is a free inbuilt feature in all Windows versions. How to use command prompt. Command prompt is a word on its own like the graphic user interface. In command prompt, every activity you perform, you need to first input a command to display the results. Therefore, if the command is wrong, the results will be error. For this reason, it is mostly associated to hackers and professional computer users. But today's lesson, it is going to be easy for all level of computer users. If you've not subscribed or liked this video, kindly do so for more computer and smartphone related videos. Now let us move to the steps for this lesson. We move to the start button here, we double click on that, and in the start menu we type in CMD. It is going to display the command prompt application and you're going to run as administrator. We double click on that. We select yes. And in the command prompt window, we type in the command sfc/scannow. You have to make sure that you don't separate the noun from the scan. These words should be together and you press on the enter key. It is going to load the information, so let us wait. We have beginning system scan. This verification will take some time. Of course, it's going to take some time, so you need to have patience. The next information is beginning verification phase of system scan, and verification is 0%, so we are going to wait for it to be 100%. So let us wait for this short period. The scan is complete and Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violation. This means that our system is virus free. So if there was virus detected on your system, you can run the Windows Defender to keep your system safe. This is the end of today's lesson, and if you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.